Tesla's down pre-market. In a filing, the company says it plans to sell up to $5 billion in stock at market prices from time to time. It is the third capital raise of the year after $5 billion in September, $2 billion in February. Jim, for a company with $14 billion in cash and led by Goldman this round, which, of course, took it to buy 6 days ago.
I think that Elon Musk is brilliant. I think he even understands the mentality of the buyers, particularly some of the younger buyers who, frankly, just have no price that they won't pay. David, we discussed the other day that the way you got your stock up, and being a little facetious, is like Carnival. You do offerings, you dilute, you do bond deals. Yeah. David, they're going to say an equity offering, well, this is great. They've got $5 billion more they can build.
Welcome back for yet another Insight Update. This time we're talking about both NIO stock as well as the Tesla stock. If you're new to our channel, you could consider subscribing to us since we post insight updates on stocks very often. Like we just heard from CNBC, Tesla is again raising capital from the markets. This time on the back of their latest stock rally on the news of inclusion into S&P 500. Tesla's stock has rallied more than 50% in the last 1 month, and now quite a few analysts have a price target of $700 or more on the stock. We, at MoneyTalk, are also relatively bullish on the stock for now. We think the stock could well continue growing until it's completely included into S&P 500. That said, Tesla already has a valuation close to $600 billion, and therefore we think there's a need for investors to be slightly cautious going ahead. We won't deny that the stock may well have more legs left in its current bull run, but it surely cannot go on like this forever. Looking at the next 6 to 12 months, while we think investors in Tesla can still grow their money by up to 50% from here, getting a return even higher than 50% looks extremely unlikely. That is where the comparison with the NIO stock becomes very interesting. NIO is by far Tesla's biggest competitor, but so far has not yet expanded outside of China. NIO's valuation is also just at $50 billion. NIO is also about to unveil their 2 new sedans to take on Tesla's Model 3. Although we are bullish on both the stocks for the long term, therefore, for the next 12 months, NIO seems to be clearly the better bet for any investor who's looking to multiply their investments by 3 to 5 times, or perhaps even more. As always, thanks for tuning into this update. As a bonus this time, before we end this video, let us look at a television advertisement from NIO which we think is a pure joy to watch.
In the future, my car is going to be like a spaceship with wheels. It'll have special powers. If I called, it would come and get me. With just a wave of my hand, the door will open, just like magic. It'll recognize me. It knows how I feel, what I'm thinking, and it will drive all by itself. It's just like home. It's just like my living room. I can feel safe and cozy. My mommy and daddy can sit together, talk to their friends 1,000 miles away, while I can sit in the front, all by myself. I can discover the whole world. Go on adventures. When I get tired, there will be a seat so comfy it feels like a cloud. Stars. I can see all the stars. There's the lion. While I'm asleep, my car would watch out for people in the street. It'll speak to other cars in a secret language. And it's going to look so cool. Like it's from the future. One day, it will be real. And I'll call it Eve.